First, alkane, CH4 methane, substitution reaction of alkane. So methane reacts with chlorine gas. So this reaction is happened in the presence of sunlight. So this reaction is happened in the presence of sunlight. Then to form CH3Cl plus HCl. So CH3Cl, this is called methyl chloride. You know, CH4 methane, CH3 methyl. So this is a methyl chlorine. So methyl chloride. So methane react with chlorine to form methyl chloride and HCl. Then that methyl chloride CH3Cl so react with the chlorine. So in the presence of sunlight, so here common HCl and to form CH2Cl2. This is dichloromethane is nothing but methylene chloride. Methylene chloride or dichloromethane, CH2Cl. Then the CH2Cl2 so react with chlorine. So in the presence of sunlight, then HCl. Here CHCl3. So this is chloroform. CHCl3. Here chloroform is produced. Then that chloroform is used as a reactant. Once again it is react with chlorine to form CCl4 and HCl. So this is carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. So this is also done in the presence of sunlight. See here, first we can take CH4 methane. CH4 methane is changed into CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So instead of 4 hydrogen atoms, 4 chlorine atoms are substituted in that. Then we get CCl4. This reaction is a substitution reaction. Very, very important. Okay. So methane react with chlorine to form methyl chloride, methyl and HCl. Methyl chloride react with chlorine to form dichloromethane and form HCl. So dichloromethane is react with chlorine to form CHCl3 chloroform and HCl. That CHCl3 is react with chlorine to form CCl4 and HCl, carbon tetrachloride. So this is most important for 4-mark question. So alcohol. So it is prepared from C2H4. C2H4. So this is ethene. So ethene by combined with more amount of water, right? In the presence of P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide, 100 to 300 atms of pressure and 300 degrees centigrade temperature. Now to form C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. So from ethene, we can prepare alcohol. So in the preparation of alcohol, more amount of water is required. So because alcohol factories are mostly constructed nearby water sources. So ethene with water, so in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide to form C2H5OH. So this is ethyl alcohol. So this ethyl alcohol is also made from barley, rice, grape also. Okay. Suppose cooking grains plus sprouted barley, when these two are mixed with each other, change into glucose. Then this glucose is break down in the presence of yeast, that is changed into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Here glucose, see here, C6H12O6. So it is in the presence of yeast cells and in the presence of enzymes called invertase and zymase. Then this hydrocarbon is break down into smaller hydrocarbon like C2H5OH and CO2, carbon dioxide. See here, so carbon dioxide and alcohol is produced. So in this reaction, carbon dioxide is the byproduct. In the preparation of alcohol, the main product is alcohol and byproduct is carbon dioxide, most important. Chemical properties of ethanoic acid. You know, ethanoic acid or oic acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH. Most important for 2 marks, right? Here, this is CH3COOH, acetic acid. React with sodium metal. Here, the sodium is displaced hydrogen present in CH3COOH. Now to form CH3COONA. This is sodium acetate and hydrogen gas is released. CH3COONA and hydrogen. So CH3COONA like this. Next, same CH3COOH react with sodium hydroxide NaOH. You know, it is a base. Now, here in sodium hydroxide, sodium is displaced hydrogen present in CH3COOH. Then, to form CH3COONA plus H2O, this is sodium acetate and water is produced. Next, same acetic acid CH3COOH react with Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, to form CH3COONA, sodium acetate plus H2O plus CO2. H2O plus CO2 here. So this one, H2O plus CO2. Same manner, so same acetic acid CH3COOH. So it is weak acid, react with sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 to form CH3COONA plus H2O and carbon dioxide. See here, acetic acid react with sodium to form sodium acetate and hydrogen. Important question for 1.5 mark. So which gas is released while sodium acetate, acetic acid react with sodium. So sodium acetate and hydrogen gas is produced. Right? Now, acetic acid react with the base like sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate and water. But in these two equations, you know, these two are carbonates and bicarbonates. So acetic acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. You know, these two are called metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate. So acetic acid react with metal carbonates and bicarbonates to form sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. So these are important chemical reactions of ethanoic acid. Next, most important reaction, esterification reaction. So esterification reaction, remember? See here, CH3COOH, acetic acid, react with C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. So this reaction is happened in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid. In this reaction, so water is eliminated from this. So this reaction is called a dehydration reaction. Here, water is eliminated, remaining compound. So CH3COO C2H5. This is called ethyl acetate. So this reaction is called esterification reaction. So it is a sweet ordered substance, pleasant smell substance, that is ethyl acetate. ethanoic acid react with ethyl alcohol to form ethyl acetate plus water. So it is also written as, see here, CH3COOH plus C2H5OH is written as CH3CH2OH. Then CH3COO, here water is eliminated from this, CH3COO, CH2CH3 plus H2O. So another scenario is there. So it is CH3 single bond C double bond O. Acid structure COOH, CO. So bond O, bond H plus CH3 CH2OH. So it is this reaction is done in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, you know. Then here OH and HH water is eliminated. Then we get CH3 single bond C O bond H, then CH2 CH3 plus H2O. So in this reaction water is eliminated, so it is a dehydration reaction. So this reaction is esterification reaction. Ethanoic acid react with ethyl alcohol, ethyl acetate is formed. Most important. Next, one more reaction, saponification reaction, right? Long fatty acids or higher fatty acids or triesters are react in the presence of bases to form soap and one of the main byproduct glycerol. So how to form this? You know that soaps are made from oils and fats. So you know the formula of stearic acid. Stearic acid C17H35COOH. This is stearic acid. C17H33COOH. This is oleic acid. C15H31COOH. This is formic acid. So soaps are made from these, right? The general formula of soap is RCOONA or RCOOK. Here sodium and potassium are salts. Here R is the functional, R is known as methyl groups or ethyl groups like this. So instead of R we can substitute C15H31, C17H35 or C17H33 like this. So how to form soap, right? Here, so long chain structure of fatty acid or higher fatty acid. For example, C17H33COO thrice C3H5. So triesterin or higher fatty acid. Now it is react in the presence of base like sodium hydroxide NaOH to form C17H30. Sorry, this is C17H35. So C17H35 COO. C17H35 COONA plus CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So this is soap and it is glycerol or glycerin, right? So this is 3NaOH here. So balance. Now triesterin or higher fatty acids are react with bases like sodium hydroxide to form soap C17H35COONA and glycerin or glycerol, CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. So glycerin is formed. So this reaction is called as saponification reaction. So higher fatty acids react in the presence of bases. So this reaction is saponification.